Samsung announced their new AI connected living lineup for the CES show in 2026. And I'm going to save you the marketing version because to me, this isn't about AI powered lifestyles or anything like that. It's really about Samsung fixing some of the stuff that made their last generation pretty hard to sell. First up's the laundry combo. And we know the original bespoke laundry combo got a ton of attention. But on the floor, it actually created a lot of hesitation because it came with long cycles and some drying confidence questions, and just really customers wondering if that all-in-one platform meant more compromise than they were willing to take on. But the 2026 update goes straight at those problems. Now we're getting faster wash-to-dry cycles, we're getting better drying through a real heat exchanger, and then there's an auto-open door with airflow so clothes don't sit damp, which is huge for us because we know nothing kills trust faster in laundry than those musty smells. They're also adding in a lower price version with a smaller screen. So that's going to give salespeople a cleaner step-down model without having to let go of the platform entirely. And then second, we have the AirDresser, or what many of the industry probably call a closet toy at this point, because let's be honest, most people still don't know how to sell an AirDresser. But Samsung's finally tying it directly into their laundry story to give that a little bit of a boost. So with the wrinkle reduction, the odor removal, and the hygiene, you're also going to be getting automatic handoff from the washer. So that means basically when the washer finishes a particular cycle, let's say blouse care, the AirDresser picks the right matching cycle automatically, which is creating more of this garment care system now, which is finally going to give this AirDresser the sales nudge that it needs because it is a really cool piece. So the quick takeaway for me here is if your pitch is still something to the effect of it uses AI, you're going to keep losing people here. The sell for this is faster cycles, fewer do-overs, less thinking, and less babysitting overall, because Samsung isn't asking customers to do more here. They're actually trying to make the product do more without being noticed. And that's going to be the real shift with this launch. And if you can't explain that confidently, this lineup will continue to feel complicated instead of better. Follow us to stay informed about the latest breaking news in the appliance industry. And thanks for watching.